If you think you have seen the absolute limit of what a high-resolution full-frame camera can achieve, or if you believe that camera manufacturers have hit a wall of incremental, boring updates, you need to clear your mind and listen to every single second of this breakdown. Because what is currently leaking out of Tokyo regarding the upcoming Sony A7R VI is not just an evolution. It is a tectonic shift that is about to completely upend the professional photography and hybrid video market. For years, the high-resolution landscape and commercial space has operated under an unwritten rule: you trade speed for resolution. If you wanted mind-boggling megapixel counts to capture microscopic detail in fashion, landscape, or product photography, you settled for slower burst rates, heavier rolling shutter artifacts, and compromised electronic shutter performance. Sony changed the game piece by piece with past generations, but the specifications and supply chain leaks surrounding the brand new A7R VI shatter that compromise entirely. We are looking at a machine engineered to combine the raw, unadulterated resolving power of an ultra-high megapixel studio monster with the blistering, lightning-fast processing speeds of a top-tier sports flagship. If you are a professional creator working in the United States commercial market, a high-end landscape shooter, or a hybrid content producer, this is the exact moment the entire industry chessboard gets flipped upside down. Let us open the box, strip away the marketing noise, and dive deep into the raw engineering reality of what makes the Sony A7R VI an absolute game-changer. The moment you lift the box lid and pull back the protective packaging, the physical presence of the A7R VI immediately communicates intent. Sony did not just recycle the previous body shell. They redesigned the chassis from the ground up, keeping the compact, weather-sealed magnesium alloy profile that shooters love, but completely overhauling the thermal architecture. One of the historic criticisms of high-resolution bodies packed with heavy processing duties has been thermal throttling during extended 8K video sessions or heavy continuous shooting. The A7R VI introduces a revolutionary passive heat dissipation system built directly into the core frame, boasting multifold improvements in thermal management over past iterations. This means you can push the camera to its absolute limits under the blazing sun of an outdoor commercial shoot in California or a humid wedding in Florida without ever seeing the dreaded overheating warning icon flash on your screen. Let us talk about the engine room, because everything in modern digital imaging flows through processing power. The A7R VI harnesses a dual Bions XR processing architecture paired directly with a dedicated, next-generation AI processing unit. This isn't just a minor clock speed bump. This dedicated artificial intelligence silicon transforms how the camera handles complex computing tasks, shifting deep learning algorithms away from the main image pipeline so the camera never stutters, never lags, and never loses focus tracking, even when chewing through massive data files at unprecedented speeds. And that brings us to the crown jewel of the entire package, the sensor. According to deeply connected industry insiders and supply chain leaks, the A7R VI houses a newly engineered, fully stacked high-resolution sensor pushing well past the 60-megapixel barrier into elite territory. We are looking at a fully stacked XMR RS architecture tailor-made for blistering readout speeds. Why does a fully stacked high-res sensor change everything? Because slow sensor readout has always been the Achilles heel of high-megapixel cameras, causing heavy distortion when shooting fast-moving subjects with an electronic shutter. By implementing a fully stacked design on a massive resolution sensor, Sony has virtually eliminated rolling shutter. Combine that rapid readout with the camera's explosive continuous shooting capabilities, and you get something extraordinary: full resolution, uncompressed RAW files firing at up to 30 frames per second with full autofocus and auto exposure tracking. Let that sink in. 30 frames per second at an ultra-high resolution, with zero blackout in the electronic viewfinder. Whether you are capturing a high-fashion model tossing a silk dress in a studio or tracking fast-moving wildlife in Alaska, you are no longer forced to choose between capturing fine texture and capturing the exact split-second peak of action. You get both, simultaneously, with zero compromise. Let us talk about the autofocus system, because Sony's real-time recognition AI tracking is already legendary, but the A7R VI takes it into a completely different dimension. Utilizing the upgraded dedicated AI processor, the camera doesn't just recognize human eyes, faces, animals, birds, insects, cars, trains, and planes. It reads human skeletal postures and structural vectors in real time. If a subject turns completely away from the camera, dips behind an obstruction, or moves erratically through chaotic foreground elements, the predictive tracking algorithm maintains its lock with absolute, unyielding tenacity. For wedding shooters, photojournalists, and wildlife creators, this level of artificial intelligence assistance feels less like an automated tool and more like an invisible assistant ensuring you never miss a shot. Now, let us flip the coin over to video production, because the A7R VI is not just a photographer's dream, it is an absolute cinematic powerhouse. As content creators demand higher flexibility, higher resolution, and cleaner oversampling, Sony answered with specifications that rival dedicated cinema lines. The A7R VI supports breathtaking internal 8K video recording up to 30p, oversampled meticulously from an enormous sensor window to capture ridiculous levels of fine detail without moire or aliasing. If your delivery format is 4K, shooting in 8K and downsampling yields a crispness, color depth, and texture that looks unmistakably high-end. Furthermore, you get internal 10-bit 4:2:2 recording across virtually all shooting modes, complete with Sony's industry-standard S-Log3 and S-Gamma3.Cine profiles. This gives colorists and video editors immense dynamic range headroom up to 15+ stops of latitude, allowing you to pull rich details out of deep shadows and harsh highlights with minimal noise penalty. High frame rate shooters are also treated to uncropped 4K at up to 120 frames per second, enabling buttery smooth cinematic slow motion that maintains every drop of full-frame background separation and optical sharpness. To handle these colossal data rates spanning giant high-res raw stills and heavy 8K video streams, Sony has equipped the A7R VI with dual media card slots supporting lightning-fast CF Express Type A alongside versatile SDXC UHS-2 compatibility. You can configure your workflow for simultaneous backup, relay recording, or sorting raw stills to one card and video files to the other, ensuring your data remains bulletproof out in the field. Let us address image stabilization, because handheld shooting at ultra-high resolutions magnifies even the smallest microjitters. The A7R VI features a heavily refined, next-generation 5-axis in-body image stabilization system yielding up to an incredible 8.5 stops of compensation. Pair this stabilization with Sony's Active Mode electronic stabilization for video, and you can pull off smooth, handheld tracking shots that look as though they were locked down on a motorized slider or a 3-axis gimbal. For travel vloggers, documentary filmmakers, and run-and-gun creators, this level of stabilization completely changes how light and mobile your production kit can be. Unboxing this camera also reveals the sheer brilliance of Sony's physical interface updates. The electronic viewfinder is an ultra-high-resolution Quad-XGA OLED panel featuring customizable refresh rates and a massive magnification ratio, offering an immersive, crystal-clear window into your scene that makes optical viewfinders feel antiquated. Paired with Sony's signature 4-axis multi-angle mechanical LCD screen, which combines a traditional tilt mechanism with a fully articulating side-flip touchscreen, you can frame awkward high-angle or low-angle compositions seamlessly whether you are shooting horizontal landscapes or vertical social media assets. Additionally, illuminated buttons make navigating menus in pitch-black night photography or dark concert venues an absolute breeze. When you look at the connectivity suite, the A7R VI leaves nothing to chance. Featuring lightning-fast Wi-Fi supporting secure FTP transfers, Bluetooth for persistent low-power smartphone linking, and a full-sized HDMI port alongside ultra-fast USB-C power delivery ports capable of data throughput and rapid in-camera battery charging, the camera integrates EFF effortlessly into complex studio tethering workflows and fast-paced broadcast environments. As professional creators evaluate their gear strategy for the current production landscape, the introduction of a body like the Sony A7R VI forces a serious recalculation. It bridges the gap between ultra-high-resolution studio photography, rapid-fire action sports capture, and Hollywood-grade 8K cinema production into a single, highly portable weather-sealed package. It eliminates the traditional compromises that forced creators to carry multiple camera bodies for different jobs. Drop a comment down below and let me know your thoughts on this engineering leap. Does a fully stacked high-resolution sensor with 30 frame per second burst capabilities and 8K video make you want to upgrade your current setup, or are you sticking with your existing gear? Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and stay tuned, because as soon as production models hit our studio desks for rigorous real-world testing, you will see the ultimate, unfiltered breakdown right here on the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next deep dive. The digital imaging world is currently experiencing an absolute earthquake, and if you think you know what Sony is capable of in the high-resolution space, prepare to completely rewrite your expectations. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on the most explosive, highly classified, and groundbreaking leaks surrounding the upcoming Sony A7R VI. For years, professional photographers and hybrid creators have been forced into a frustrating compromise. Do you want blistering speed, or do you want mind-blowing, ultra-high resolution? Do you buy a speed demon like the A1 series, or do you opt for a detail monster like the A7R line? Well, according to the latest intelligence pouring straight out of supply chain insiders and factory blueprints, Sony is about to obliterate that compromise entirely. We are talking about a camera engineered to rewrite the rulebook for commercial shooters, wildlife fanatics, landscape legends, and high-end filmmakers alike. If you are serious about your craft, stay completely locked to this screen because every single specification we are about to unpack shifts the entire landscape of modern digital creation. Let us address the historical context of our series to truly understand why these leaks are causing such a massive panic among competitors. When Sony introduced the A7R V with its venerable 61-megapixel non-stack sensor, it set a gold standard for studio and landscape detail. But the Achilles heel of high-resolution sensors has always been readout speed. Traditional sensors suffer from rolling shutter, sluggish burst rates, and limitations when tracking fast-moving action, meaning sports and wildlife shooters often had to look elsewhere. Competitors assumed Sony would stick to incremental upgrades, maybe a tweaked processor or a slightly refined menu system. They were dead wrong. Factory insiders indicate that Sony has spent the last cycle completely re-architecting the silicon core of their high-resolution lineup. They aren't just updating a camera, they are launching a direct assault on the traditional boundaries of digital photography. Let us dive straight into the crown jewel of these leaks, the sensor architecture. Rumors pointing toward a newly developed, highly optimized A7R VI fully stacked CMOS sensor boasting an astonishing 67 megapixels are sending shockwaves through the industry. A fully stacked sensor design in a high-resolution body changes everything. By integrating dedicated memory right onto the sensor chip, data can be cleared and transferred at speeds that render traditional electronic shutters obsolete. We are talking about a full sensor readout speed capable of an incredible 60 frames per second. This means rolling shutter distortion is effectively reduced to zero, even when panning across hyperfast action or shooting under harsh artificial lighting. You get the pixel-peeping clarity of an ultra-high-resolution medium-format style body paired with the blistering temporal reflexes of a dedicated sports machine. This lightning-fast data pipeline unlocks continuous shooting metrics that sound entirely fictional for a 67-megapixel camera. Leaked specifications point toward a sustained, blackout-free continuous burst rate of up to 30 frames per second in uncompressed 14-bit RAW format. Complete with full autofocus and auto-exposure calculations running continuously in the background. Let that sink in for a moment. 30 frames per second of nearly 70 megapixel data stream, tracking subjects with absolute tenacity. But it gets even crazier. The inclusion of advanced RAW pre-capture technology means the camera continuously buffers images the moment you half-press the shutter. For wildlife photographers trying to capture the exact millisecond a hawk dives into water or a sprinter explodes off the starting blocks, pre-capture ensures you catch moments that happen faster than human reaction times. Your keeper rate is going to skyrocket, but your hard drive storage budget is going to take a punishing hit. Driving this monstrous amount of visual data requires a processing engine that makes past hardware look like a pocket calculator. Enter the next-generation Bion's XR2 processor, paired with an upgraded high-bandwidth LSI. This processing architecture is tailor-built to handle complex, deep-learning artificial intelligence algorithms. The autofocus system has reportedly received a major intelligence upgrade, leveraging advanced machine learning models trained specifically on erratic, unpredictable movement patterns, human posture estimation, and complex environmental obstacles. Whether you are shooting a bride walking down a dim, candlelit aisle or an erratic bird darting through a dense canopy, the new AF tracking locks on with an iron grip and simply refuses to let go. Background clutter, sudden obstructions, and erratic movements are instantly filtered out by the camera's onboard neural processing unit. Now, let us talk about stabilization, because field shooters know that high-resolution sensors punish even the tiniest micro-vibrations. If your hands shake even a millimeter at 67 megapixels, your shots are ruined. To combat this, Sony has reportedly supercharged the in-body image stabilization system, engineering an advanced IBIS mechanism capable of compensating for an astonishing 8.5 stops of shake. Think about what an 8.5 stop stabilization advantage means in the real world. It means you can shoot handheld landscape and architectural shots in near pitch-dark twilight conditions at base ISO with shutter speeds lasting multiple seconds, entirely bypassing the need to lug a heavy tripod around on long hikes. It grants creators unprecedented freedom to travel light and shoot handheld in scenarios that used to demand rigorous mechanical support. Let us shift our focus to the hybrid video capabilities, because this is where the A7R VI completely blurs the line between a dedicated stills flagship and a Hollywood-grade cinema camera. Leaks indicate that Sony is bringing heavy-hitting video specifications to the table, including uncropped 4K video recording up to 120 frames per second for buttery-smooth slow motion, alongside breathtaking high-resolution options like 8K video recording capabilities. Imagine capturing cinematic 8K footage backed by 67 megapixels of oversampled clarity, allowing documentary filmmakers and commercial directors to punch in, reframe, or pull high-resolution stills directly from motion footage without sacrificing an ounce of crisp detail. Combined with sophisticated 10-bit internal recording, advanced color profiles, and thermal architecture designed to handle long-form takes without shutting down, this camera transitions seamlessly from a high-end commercial photo studio to an active movie set. The physical ergonomics and body design are also receiving subtle yet vital refinements based on years of professional feedback. A close look at early design leaks reveals a completely redesigned grip structure, adopting the deeper, more secure handle profile pioneered in top-tier flagship bodies to comfortably balance heavy telephoto lenses. Furthermore, a dedicated tally light has been cleanly integrated into the front chassis, a massive quality-of-life win for solo videographers who need visual confirmation that rolling has successfully started. The electronic viewfinder is rumored to feature a stunning 9.44 million ultra-high-resolution OLED panel, delivering a window into your scene that is so sharp, bright, and vibrant that it practically mimics an optical view while supplying real-time digital exposure feedback. Powering this high-performance beast requires a robust energy solution, and rumors point to the adoption of a higher-capacity battery system engineer. To keep the processor and sensor humming through grueling, multi-hour shoots without constantly demanding battery swaps. When you are out in the field all day chasing golden hour light or covering an all-day commercial event, battery anxiety is the last thing you want to deal with. Sony's updated power management ensures maximum efficiency, keeping the system cool and responsive even when pushing the hardware to its absolute limits. When you step back and look at the entire puzzle assembled by these leaks, the narrative is overwhelmingly clear. Sony is preparing to redefine what a flagship hybrid camera can achieve. By marrying an ultra-high-resolution 67-megapixel stack sensor, blistering 30 frames per second raw bursts, 8.5 stops of stabilization, and professional-grade 8K video into a single unified body, they are building a tool that defies traditional category limitations. Pricing projections place this powerhouse in the professional flagship tier, matching the high expectations of serious creators looking for ultimate performance. Whether this camera completely alters your gear strategy once production units land in the wild depends on your workflow, but one thing is certain: the camera world is changing fast, and the competition has been put on absolute notice. Drop your thoughts in the comments down below. Does a 67-megapixel stack sensor with 30 frames per second burst make this your ultimate dream upgrade, or are you happy with your current setup? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, stay tuned for more exclusive tech breakdowns, and we will catch you in the next video.